Hi class, this is Drawing with Mr. Jason. Today we are going to be drawing a dragon. To start with, make sure you have a pencil, an eraser, paper, and at the end if you want to color you can use markers, crayons, colored pencils, whatever you want. I'm not going to do the coloring in today's video. That's going to be something that you get to do afterwards. To start, if you remember from last week when we did light, medium, and dark, we're going to draw some shapes using our light technique, really light, and then once we put the shapes together we can draw a little bit harder, drawing medium to finish the dragon. We're going to start by drawing an oval, and not quite in the middle of the page but off to the left a little bit. So go ahead and draw your oval. Underneath this oval we're going to hide another oval, so we're going to draw an oval but then stop. The rest of it's behind. We're going to draw another oval on this side. Then we're going to draw a line and a line. They just come off of the ovals. And we're going to draw some tear shapes. And from where this point, this oval and this oval meet, we're going to draw a curved line like that. I don't know if you can really see it. A curved line. And then follow that curved line back up until you hit that point. That'll be the dragon's tail. Above this oval, we're going to draw an oval and a smaller oval behind it. Hopefully you can see that. I'll make it a little darker. Now this is probably the hardest line of the whole video. It's a long wavy line. I'm going to draw it, then I'll go over it a couple times just so you can see it. We're going to start over here, we're going to come down, go up, and curve around the top of that oval. And we're going to go down again, back up again, and over here. So I'll do it again. We're going to draw a curved line, you're going to come down, and you're going to go back up around the top of your oval, come down, up again, and over towards the other side of the paper. Just speak and pause and let people get caught up. At the top point over here with your pencil, drawing lightly, you're going to draw a curved line and come down towards the end of the paper. Same point up here at the top, draw another one even longer towards that tail. And then a shorter line. Over here, you're going to draw a short line about the same length as that one. A longer line, a longer curved line, and then a little bit curved line that's a little shorter. You're going to connect these with a curved line. Then we're going to move up this line a little bit and draw a curved line. And we're doing that because this is the front part of the wing and this is the back part of the wing, so they're separated. And you're going to draw a curvy line from this point to where the leg and the oval meet. Right there. Over here, where the leg and the oval meet, curved line to that point. Curved line to that point, curved line to that point, and then finish the connection for the dragon's wings. I'll pause a moment, let everybody get caught up. Maybe you can pause the video again if anybody needs a little help or needs a little more time to go over it again, just in case we lost a move or something. Curved line here. We went up a little bit, curved line to that point. And then we connected between here and where the oval and the leg meet. We moved over here, same point where the oval and the leg meet. Curved line to that point, curved line to that point, curved line to that point, and then we finished it off. We're going to do the neck where the wing and this oval meet. We're going to draw a curved line that goes to the top of that oval. Curved line to the top of that oval. We're going to connect from where the wing and the oval meet to the bottom of that oval. And we can erase this curved line in the middle. Erase, 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 erase. In this lower oval here, we're going to draw a curved line inside of it, following along the line, and then going back up. And inside that curved line, we're going to draw zigzags for the dragon's teeth. I'm going to go up a little bit and draw 2 lines for the dragon's nose. I'm going to come back from there, draw a straight diagonal line, and then a semicircle underneath that line that you just drew. And then in that semicircle, draw a straight line for the dragon's eye. Between these 2 lines, you see them? I'm going to bring them a little closer. Those 2 lines that we drew for the nose. Lightly draw a line that goes up to the top of the head. And along that line, we're going to draw a zigzag for some fins. And it disappears as it goes over the neck. Along this curved line, we can draw some teeth, zigzags back the other way. And then we're going to draw some fire. We're going to draw a diagonal line from towards the bottom of the mouth, a diagonal line down, and from the bottom of the top part of the mouth, that's confusing, but the bottom part of this oval, another diagonal line coming out, and in between these 2 lines, let's draw an oval. Along these 2 diagonal lines, we're going to draw a wavy line. Both ways, or both lines. That's our fire. And then the parts of the wing that you see inside the fire, let's erase those. So all we see is the fire. Clean off my eraser shavings. You see our dragon's breathing fire at something. This oval. At the bottom of this oval, let's draw a curved line. And a couple legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess that's not a couple, that's several. And alongside this, we're going to write 3 letters. B, B, Q. And on top of this oval, another oval. And then a curved line, another circle, a couple lines, and that'll be our roast beef that the dragon's cooking for us. I'm going to add some more detail for the fire if you want. Just some more wavy lines going back. The wavy lines do not have to be perfect. Okay, we got to go a little bit faster. Down here, the legs, we're going to draw a hook at the back of that foot and a hook at the back of that foot, and then connect it up and connect it up. So I did 2 curved lines right there. On this one we just have to do the one, or actually we have to do 2. Curved line to connect, and there. And erase the guideline in the middle on both legs. At the front of those tear shapes, we're going to draw toes. Zig, zags. And then, just to clean it up a little bit, this place where the oval and this belly are separate, we're going to draw a line. There's a curved line that connects them. And erase all of that. So all you have is that leg. We're going to leave this one because that leg's a little bit behind and the tail's a little bit behind, so that's good. We're pretty close to being done. At the top of this wing, we're going to draw some zigzags for some fingers, 2 of them, and on the other side as well. And I think this is probably a good place to stop. Add some background just so the dragon's not floating in space, so some hills behind everything. But I want to let everybody else be creative and do what they add things to the dragon that they want. So this is a good place for me to stop, but if you wanted to add something like horns, you could draw a triangle shape back here and just draw dragon horns if you want. Or if you wanted to draw scales, you could draw scales, a bunch of curved lines. But I'm going to leave it up to you. If you want your dragon to have polka dots or stripes, be creative. I like to see how your dragon turns out. So we're going to stop there and let you finish your dragon however you want. Okay, so thanks for drawing with Mr. Jason. I'll see you again next week.